4:59, almost 5 o'clock. Wednesday, March 6th, 5 in the morning, by the way. I've been up all night, literally, like, I haven't slept since Monday night. Technically Tuesday morning, because I went to sleep, like, at 3 in the morning, but I've been up all night. I'm getting ready to go to the airport. That's my alarm. I'm getting ready to go to the airport. I'm gonna try to be out here by 6. So, hi, Devana.
Ready for my close up.
Whatever. We're on the plane. I've been forgetting to record.
Okay, yeah, this has to go on top. Ooh.
I might have to take my jacket off. All right. So, hold on. We finna do a room tour. So this is my bed, made out of German cotton. If you come here, you see the mirror. There's like, it's not a mirror, but it's like a little reflective, whatever. This is the bathroom. Too bad I didn't bring no makeup. I'm serving y'all natural vibes. I need my eyebrows waxed. This is the bathroom. It's real small, real intimate, whatever, whatever. And then, this is Asia. This is my roommate for the day. Or for the week. She loves me.
This girl, Devana. Alright, let's go so we can practice.
Devana with the bantu knots. Bana, say hi to the vlog. They already know you. They met you before.
Hey vlog. We in New Orleans.
We in New Orleans. Bitches finna be turned up. Bitches finna be turned up. You can't touch us. You can't touch us. We in New Orleans. We in New Orleans. You can't. What? Asia go. Asia what? Asia go. Asia what? Asia go. Asia what? Asia. She ain't doing nothing. Go.
Little Bow Wow. So you just don't know. You move so fast.
Hey. Bus. Our flight landed. Touchdown, Barbiana. I want to see a touchdown.
In the room, Studiana. In the present, Aniana.
Hey. I'm Blackiana. Hey, we Blackiana. Hey. Touchdown, Blackiana, touchdown. I want to see you touchdown. Pick it up. Now, write your shit down. Hey.
Now say that shit out loud.
That's what we're gonna do for the presentation. Y'all, we gotta do a presentation. That's why we here. For presentation. So yeah, but we finna go get some food. Thank you.
Enjoy. What the fuck? The last blue drink you posted.
So what'd you get, Age?
This is I don't even know.
It's the OG. It's the OG Hurricane, I think.
It's got some more common right now. You got shrimp and grits?
What is this called again?
What's that? New Orleans Creole cookery. Shrimp and grits?
No.
Oh, it's the Lafitte's
I got the shrimp and grits.
Okay.
That's the original one that the pirates did when they got off the boat. Jambalaya appetizer.
Right there.
And seafood. Do you need another?
Right here. Sorry.
What's that? I told him vegetarian. Damn it. Hold on, baby. I'll be right back.
What'd you get? Why they always sending your food back? Last time we went out to eat, they sent their food back too. Well, she sent their food back.
Vegetarian.
You got the gumbo?
Yes.
The seafood gumbo?
Yes.
Can you put the flashlight on mine? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you. Asia, show the vlog what you just did.
Okay, hold on.
I come on, let's. You got the key? No.
No, hold on. We can just start from right here.
Okay. So we walk in.
You open it. You open it.
Oh, hi. This is our apartment.
Hey, baby, I'm home.
Yeah.
Watching on TV. Give me a kiss. Oh, you miss me? You're so sweet. Get off me, boy. Disney right there.
It's just dumb. It's just so stupid. Oh my god. Y'all, I'm tired. Like, I already took a shower. Okay, so update. I already took a shower. And then, okay, so we went to eat. We came back. I took a nap and was working on my paper. And then Asia, while I was asleep, Asia was working on her paper. And then when I woke up, she took a nap. Sorry, I'm trying to take off my jacket. She took a nap. And then I got in the shower and I got on my pajamas and she was like, well, I'm hungry. Let's go get something to eat. So that's what we ended up doing. We were literally searching. We ended up eating at Daisy Duke's. It was so good. I had the chicken fingers and fries. It was really good. Alicia had the shrimp po' boy with the red beans and rice. We sat with these two girls or whatever because it was kind of crowded when we came in there. Like, we had to wait in the line or whatever, but we were before them, but it was just us two, and she sat outside a table with like 4 people. So I was like, let's just have them sit with us. Like, we might as well, like, that don't make sense. Like, you know, like, they're waiting anyways. Like, we could all just sit here, whatever. So they just sat with us. We ate. It was pretty cool. They gave us some, like, suggestions of where we should eat and stuff, which I know I'm gonna go back to LA and be so fucking fat because this food, man, like, it's so good. Yes, that's my thought pop. But it was really good. But right now we just got back. It's It's 1:19, almost 1:20 in the morning. Me and Asia are giving our presentations tomorrow. So I'm glad we getting it. Tomorrow is the first day of the conference. So it's like we're getting it out the way, which I'm really happy about, because then this rest of this weekend we could just turn up. We could do whatever. Like, we still got to go to the actual conference, but it'll be better, like, because we don't have to present. So it's not like we have to be like mentally stable or like, you know, whatever. So yeah, so we have to prepare for our presentation tomorrow. I have a whole fucking midterm paper due for a class that I'm not even at tomorrow. So I'm keeping in mind we're in New Orleans, so we're 2 hours ahead. So my class is at 2:50 in LA, but that's 4:50 here. So I have to work on it tonight, and I have to send it to my classmate so he can print it and turn it in before class tomorrow. It's just a lot. I guess I'm kind of happy though that we're 2 hours ahead, because now I get like more time to work on it technically, so that's great. So yeah, but we literally just got back in here. Asia's on the phone on the toilet. Who does that? No, I'm just kidding. I do that all the time.